So we already know we headed to Reek event. We already know the police gonna be out. I'm ready for them. Hey, if you come through here flying 12 is hot, boy. They all through this thing on the way to Reek event. But hey, we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna try to avoid 12 at all costs. And yeah, so right now I'm just cruising, headed to Reek event. I know it's a roadblock there, so I got a little surprise for them. I already got my IDs out and my insurance, just in case they on bullshit. I come prepared, buddy. But yeah, the police is out hot. I done seen like 3-4 people pulled over on the way here. So, but luckily I was already informed that there was a roadblock, so I'm ready for that. So yeah, I already got all my stuff out. I got my license, my ID, 2 forms of insurance, and the registration for the vehicle. So just in case they on bullshit, I'm already ready. But yeah, that's gonna be the next scene y'all see. I'm gonna give y'all a little treat. Oh yeah. So here they go. Police right here. Dang. Hey.
What up, boss? You got driver's license on you, man?
I got driver license, ID, and 2 forms of insurance and registration.
I don't need all that. I just want to see you drive license, man.
Oh. Here you go.
Want to make sure you get it.
Oh yeah.
Mr. Jeremy?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. Have a good one.
You too. Oh no, they got my buddy. No. Dang. I literally just told him. Bruh, I literally just told him the roadblock was here. God damn. Bruh, I literally just told him it was a roadblock. Literally told him at the light and they still walked him. Damn. Hopefully they let him go, but I don't know how that's gonna go for real, but shit, man. But as y'all can see, it's already aligned to get to the spot. Looking lit. We got the cars up behind us. It go further back, but that's all you can see right now. Boy, they got that boy Mari out here working. They got that boy Mari working. Oh shit. What is he doing? Damn. People need to have that shit together, bro.
What up, man?
What's happening, baby?
You know what I'm saying?
Do I need one of the wrist
Out here in the streets, I'm saying. I'm gonna get you one.
Alright.
I need a couple of those 5 minutes. Hey, bring me the cars right here to park. Hey, bring me over there.
Yeah, I need the special.
Sure.
Appreciate you.
Alright, you gonna go straight ahead, alright?
Alright, bet. Pulling in there, bit.
Hey, big O, you need a ticket. You need a ticket.
I got the little red one.
No.
We're going, baby.
Hey, you figured it out. No, you can't.
God damn. What is damn. What's happening, baby?
Hey man, y'all know the fuck going on. We out there at SRT meet, man.
What's happening,
My
man?
boy.
Ain't gonna count.
Ain't nowhere to pull.
They been thick as hell.
Ain't no.
What the fuck is your?
I cut it on.
What the fuck?
No.
That boy out here doing the right thing.
Hey man,
Clean
y'all go
cut.
subscribe to my nigga. Oh man, no count. Y'all ain't fucking no hoe.
Yes, sir. Hey, what? Ain't nowhere to pull for real?
No. You walk right here in the road.
And I just told niggas I seen you. Look, right in front of your car, nigga. I was like, that big O. What's up?
Well, y'all so beautiful. What's happening?
Hey bro, can I get an autograph, bro? Like I'm a big
Oh, yeah, I
fan.
got you. I got
All
you.
right,
I got
thank
you.
you, sir.
Yeah, I got to find somewhere to pull.
Hey, you can,
That boy done made it.
Yeah, you know what I'm
It been hard.
everybody was going down that road and coming around back, unless you want to be up front somewhere, but
I'll be up front.
parking hard as fuck.
I see it. Damn, there's people everywhere. God damn.
Man.
Oh yeah. Hey, big head gonna support a motherfucker. Big, small, medium. Yo.
Even though I can't fit, I'm with my boy shit, man. I fuck with my boy Reed, man. Fuck with my boy O, man.
Yes, sir. Hey man, like he told y'all before, big head _4. Make sure you follow that. Realest YouTuber alive. Yo.
Hey, my boy O, real one.
Yes, sir.
Real deal. That boy Nick. Talk about, hey, why Reed ain't got hoes out here?
Why Rick ain't got hoes out here?
Why ain't no hoes out here?
That nigga get no ass, bro.
Hey, that's some exotic ass tripod, bro. No hoes, man. Look at this nigga shit, bro.
Yeah.
You know shit like that before.
I found your videos from Quan shit.
Quan shit?
Yeah, yeah.
What this nigga get blood today? Yeah, that one man? Yeah, that's why I don't wear condoms.
Oh my god. That been loud as fuck. Hey y'all, we got Josh out here.
Hey, what's up, gang? Hey, we gonna keep this on PG today. Fuck it, I got y'all niggas. Hey, y'all better like this motherfucking video right now, subscribe to the channel, and then come check me out. But you better like this video, man. Content gonna be crazy today, ain't that right? Yes, sir. Let's get it, baby.
Hey bro, that shit wild as fuck. That bitch was loud as a motherfucker, boy. I can't hear my anus breathe.
That been crazy.
Man, that shit crazy, bro.
That's how you turn that shit up.
now they got the twins out here. That shit went on my nose. Hey, that shit went on my nose.
That boy's gonna make everybody have a fucking insurance claim tomorrow, nigga. Oh God. What the fuck?
That motherfucker is popping in shit too.
Damn. That motherfucker ringing on God. Nigga, I went
Oh, not that boy. Okay, I see. That boy always got that hair fried down laid to the side. You can't tell him nothing big player pimp. Ooh, it's low.
What's the deal? We outside. My fucking head hurts.
Oh, you been standing behind the car?
Yes, bro, that shit. Like, what you got? What shot you got?
I got clear, I got dark.
This man right.
This nigga
Sandwiches to chase that bitch back.
Josh stayed with some else.
But now I got a cooler with some water and some juice.
And we on our way to Jacksonville, bro. Niggas get pulled over. We gonna hide out behind the trees. This nigga gonna fill out a fat ass bottle of Crown Royal talking about I got to.
Had to. Yeah, after a ticket, a shot per ticket, nigga. I do it with the officer.
Oh yeah, you got a gang of tickets.
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh, I beat all those. My court day was Wednesday. My lawyer went. Yeah. I beat them
He
all.
ain't even go, that nigga's at home.
Hell nah.
Beat that shit.
I was in Florida.
Oh, you
He
sure
said,
was.
he said, hey, write a statement because you know what the cop fucked up? The black dude wrote the ticket, but didn't see nothing. It was a white cop that told him to wrote the ticket. So I beat all them easy like that.
I'm good. Hey, thanks for telling me that. Thanks for telling me
Yeah,
that.
they have to watch the crime to write the ticket. His supervisor told him what he saw and told him to write the ticket.
So even the fact that somebody called, they can't just.
Nah, they have to. That's how you can beat it. What they're hoping is you paid online and never show up. Hey, come out for me real quick, baby. Oh shit!
I had to go to Atlanta. I had to go hard.
Motherfucker, let them know what it say on the chain right there. Hold on, young man. Then my shit, nigga, they real sale bar shit.
Yes,
They real VVS. We get it out here too, baby. Welcome to the jungle, no count.
Yes, sir.
Holla at me, big chunky, baby.
So if I tell everybody, like literally, nobody can go in the middle. Nobody can go in the pit at all.
Are you talking about with a car or without a car?
No, with the car, right? With somebody doing, with somebody actually like doing donuts.
Just one car at a time.
That's a problem, right? If somebody was in the pit.
It's a problem when it's two cars, it's reckless. You ain't reckless when you by yourself.
If somebody walks in the pit.
Yeah, that's reckless.
That's reckless.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. 1,000 people to know. I'ma take the hit for this. I ain't got nothing to do with it. He talked to my little brother JJ. Should have been talking to me. But I know that they can't stop them people from burning out on my property. But it's a mass gathering of people down there. So they gonna do what they do. And Monday morning when cold folks come see me, they gonna come see me. I know I gotta pay the fine for it. Cause that's all it is, a fine. Same thing they did to Rick Ross. We ain't no different. They didn't lock nobody up, they didn't lock them up.